One accident can change everything. One moment of misfortune can turn life upside down for an employee and for the people who depend on them. As an employer, your responsibility does not end with a paycheck. It extends to standing by your team when life throws a curveball. That's where group personal accident insurance comes in. It's a thoughtful way for you to offer your employees a financial safety net in case of accidental injury, disability, or even loss of life. Here's how it works. You purchase one comprehensive policy that covers a group of employees. Think of it as one umbrella policy that protects many. And because it's a group plan, the premiums are often much more affordable than individual ones. It's a smart and cost-effective way for you to safeguard your entire team without complicating your admin processes. By offering this policy, you give your employees peace of mind, their families financial security, and your business a culture that puts people first. Here's what it covers. Financial security. If something unfortunate happens, the policy ensures the employee or their family is not left struggling to cover costs. Employee welfare. When employees know you've got their back, it goes a long way in boosting morale and loyalty. Broad coverage. Depending on your policy, protection can extend beyond work hours and outside the workplace. Cost efficiency. Group premiums are often lighter on the budget than on individual policies. Simplified administration. One policy, one point of contact, no paperwork chaos. What's covered? It's important to know your inclusions. Most group personal accident policies cover accidental death benefit, a lump sum payout to the nominee if an employee passes away due to an accident. Permanent total disablement, coverage if an accident leaves the employee unable to work again. Permanent partial disablement, compensation for the loss or impaired function of specific body parts. Temporary total disablement, regular income support if the employee is temporarily unable to work. Depending on the policy, one may also get coverage for medical bills, ambulance costs, or even educational help for the employee's kids in case of major incidents.